this video is a process, step-by-step process on how to process language visa here in Germany. So let's get started. So in order that my pamangkin or my niece can apply or can study German language here in Germany, so she need to apply for a language visa in the Philippines. So ako naman dito as her sponsor dito sa Germany, I need to gather all the documents that we needed in order to submit it to German Embassy, Manila. So here are the 5 steps in order to apply language visa. So number 1 step is go to your ABH or Ausländer Behörde in your location kung saan kayo dito sa Germany nakatira. So just inform them na may gusto kang i-sponsor. So for my niece, I sponsored her German language studies here in Germany. So ako talaga yung hahakot na mga documents from dito sa Germany. And isi-send ko yun sa pamangkin ko dyan sa Philippines. But just in case you don't have sponsor na magpa-process dito sa Germany, so I think it's not needed to inform the Ausländer Behörde here because you do it to yourself naman. Alangan naman pupunta ka dito sa Germany just to inform them. So pumunta kami dalawa ng partner ko sa Ausländer Behörde or ABH at humingi ng formal obligation but hindi nila kami mabigyan ng formal obligation in our case because me and my partner, yes, may bonong kami sa Bonn, resident kami sa Bonn, taga Bonn yung partner ko, pero ang problem is we live and work here in Switzerland. So that's the reason why they can't provide us the formal obligation that we needed. But of course, sabi pa nga nila, kung may gusto, may paraan. Kung ayaw, mayroong dahilan. So, instead of formal obligation, gumamit ako ng black account. For the black account, guys, I want to discuss it separately because it's a very broad process kung anong gawin, magkano dapat kailangan ibabayad, so ganun. So, I will make another video regarding black account kung paano ko nakuha yung black account. So, given that you already have this formal obligation or kung wala kayong formal obligation, is the black account. So, let's proceed to step number 2 for a private language school that they offer intensive language class for the language visa because alam nila yung kung anong requirements ng German Embassy regarding language visa. German Embassy required at least 18 hours per week yung klase nila. So in my case, sa case ng pamangkin ko, ang class nila is Monday to Friday and then from 9 to 12. So it should be intensive course. For my pamangkin is she already have A1 certificate in the Philippines. So all I need to enroll A2 to B2 course. Now, of course, guys, don't forget you need to fully paid all the tuition that needed in the school because yun talaga ang requirements sa German Embassy. It should be fully paid. Yung A1, for example, A1 to B2 yung in-enroll mo, dapat fully paid talaga yun. So, for my pamangkin, A2 to B2 lang yung in-enroll namin. So, yun lang ang binayaran ko dito. If nagbayad ka na ng fully paid sa school, so you will ask or the school will give you a certificate of acceptance or certificate of enrollment na naka-enroll ka within this month. Dapat i-check mo talaga lahat yung details, date, kung ilang hours per week, lahat-lahat na details dapat i-check. Guys, don't forget the receipt. Yung resibo talaga is original. Lahat-lahat yung certificate of acceptance ng school or certificate of enrollment, yung resibo, dapat original talaga. At may stamp talaga from the school at may signature kung sino yung contact person na pumirma sa certificate of acceptance at resibo. Guys, tip lang, just in case magpagawa kayo ng certificate of acceptance at yung resibo, ask the school na kung pwede, it should be in English lahat. Hindi siya naka-German. Because, guys, if naka-German kasi siya and then pupunta ka sa consulate, mag-ask ka ng OSG. Because sa pagpunta mo sa Philippine Consulate dito sa Germany, if yung resibo at yung certificate of enrollment or certificate of acceptance is naka-German, is magkakaproblema ka kasi pagkuha mo ng AOS or AOG. So, I'm speaking of AOG or AOS. Ano ba yung mga ganon? So, it's one of the requirements na makukuha mo sa Philippine Consulate. So, meaning, AOG is Affidavit of Guarantee, AOS is Affidavit of Support. Actually, isa lang yun talaga. So, depende na talaga yun if guardian ka or ikaw ba yung nag-support. Ganun lang talaga explanation nun. So, makukuha mo yan sa nearest Philippine Consulate dyan sa kung saan ka nakatira sa Germany. So like me, I'm staying in Bonn, Germany. So Bonn, Germany is under the Philippine Consulate in Frankfurt. So I know there's a Philippine consulate in Germany. So Berlin, Frankfurt, and Stuttgart. So just research kung saan kayo belong na Philippine consulate. For this AOG on AOS, it's a little bit big discussion. So I'm planning to do a separate video on this para ma-explain ko lahat-lahat kung paano ko nakuha yung AOSG on A napakahirap talaga siyang mabigkas, guys, kasi naka-German talaga siya. Number 4 is look for a insurance. For the insurance here, if you want to know ano ba yung insurance na ginamit ng pamangkin ko na mas makamura kayo. So if you already gather all the documents, complete documents, original complete documents, yung FO, formal obligation, or yung black account, yung certificate of enrollment or acceptance ng school, yung resibo ng school, ano po ba, yung insurance, you need to send it to your relatives, all the original documents. Kung na-receive na yun sa relatives mo, yung lahat-lahat na requirements na original from you, dapat i-prepare na niya yung lahat na requirements na needed sa German Embassy Manila. For the list of requirements, I'll put down below, but I'm planning to make a continuation for this video, and I will discuss all the requirements needed for the language visa. So for the appointment of German Embassy Manila for the interview, I'll just put a link down below. Just check in my description box. I'll just put a link down below on how to set an appointment for visa interview. And lastly, if she already gathered or he already gathered all the requirements from you and from this person na i-sponsoran mo, so mag-set siya as soon as possible ng termin or appointment sa German Embassy Manila. So after for the interview, they will tell you that maximum days or months is 2 months yung processing ng language visa. If yung documents is walang problema, complete yun lahat, they will send you an email that your visa is already approved. So I wish all you the best and to gather all the documents. And I hope that this video is nakatulong sa inyo on how to process your language visa. And I hope na ma-approve yung language visa niyo as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and if you have clarification, question, clarification, or any violent reaction, please comment down below, and I'm so happy to answer all your queries. So, bye-bye!